The search for an ethical fair trade clothing manufacturer is downright frustrating right now. It's really difficult to balance the difference between looking for great costing, but also at the same time, excellent ethics, fair trade business principles, certified fabrics, great communication. I mean, it's not easy out there. We created this free webinar called Ask Manufacturer Anything so that you can ask us exactly all the different questions that you've always wondered about. Finding the right manufacturer, getting the right information fast. We're gonna dive into market trends, market analysis, looking at things like what are other brands producing during 2024, fabrics, customizing fabrics, fabric treatments like printing and dyeing. We're also going to be talking about how to ensure quality assurance and how to ensure ethics during your factory search. Best practices, how to get free samples. We're going to talk about shipping and supply chain and managing the entire end-to-end process. But one of the most important things that we're going to talk about is how you as a brand owner can navigate this confusing world of garment manufacturing. You'll be able to talk directly with Leanne Lou Dennis, who is the production director at Garmindo. She's one of the foremost authorities on ethical garment manufacturing here in Bali, Indonesia. If you're looking to unlock the secrets of successful garment manufacturing, now's your chance. Register for our free webinar called Ask Manufacturer Anything. Speak with our expert, Leanne Lou Dennis, on June 7th. Register to the event on the link below. See you there.